So I just received my iPhone 15 right after I did the unboxing of my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I'm actually going to be comparing these two phones in a later date because you won't believe it, but the iPhone 15 is pretty darn close to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But for now, let's go ahead and put the Pro Max aside and focus on the new iPhone 15. So let me go ahead and just get this box open. I love these little pull tabs. Every company that does these, hey, just know I love you, okay? It's that simple. That's how easy I am. Is that green? I mean, okay, I mean, the camera bump is definitely has that green color to it. But aside from that, the phone is very, very, very pale green. I don't know. I think it looks kind of cool. I was just expecting a little bit more of a richer kind of green color, but same with iPhone fashion. Got the 5G bar, sleep wake. Here we have the mute switch, which of course, if I bring my iPhone 15. The 15 Pro, the Pro Max, you got the button instead of the switch. So that's one of the key differences right there. Now the build quality of the iPhone 15 is aluminum, which in my opinion, you know, is fine for the price. That's definitely not bad. It helps keep the weight down. And of course you do get that USB-C on the back. Now, this is USB-C at 2.0 speeds. If you want the faster speeds at 3.0, you're going to have to go for the Pro series. But honestly, 2.0 for the average person is fine. I think the average person is definitely not going to be transferring files over cable. So let me go ahead and power this on, and I'll just kind of slip it onto the side over here. Now, one of the downsides, in my opinion, it's a downside. It's still 60 hertz. So you're still getting a 60 hertz panel, whereas other phones, like a lot of phones, are over or at 120 or even over 120 hertz. But, you know, it is what it is. Here we see that new USB-C to USB-C cable right there. So, and it's also braided. So that's definitely a nice touch. Aside from that, we do get the stickers and all the quick start guides in here, and that part's boring, so I'm going to go ahead and just close this box. So new with the iPhone 15 series is that, of course, you do get that dynamic island. So it's finally come to the 15 series. I was expecting Apple to keep this kind of exclusive to the Pro series for a longer than they did. It's only been a year, and it came to the 15. So hey, not bad. So let me go ahead and get this phone set up, and then I will be right back. So the iPhone 15 has been completely set up, and using it, you know, I gotta say, you know, 60 hertz, you get used to it, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh my God, once you try 120, you can't go back. Of course, 120 is nice, 120 hertz, right? Of course it's nice, but using this right now, just swiping back and forth, of course I noticed that it's 60, but it's not like it's gonna kill me, you know? It's not like I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and not wake up. Okay, that actually made no sense. Subscribe. But, you know, it's fine. For the average person, you know, the sales don't lie. You know, iPhones sell like hotcakes, even though it's 60 hertz. So that's not really that big of a deal. Now, of course, you do get that frosted back on the iPhone 15. Finally, base model iPhones have a nice frosted back. This has absolutely no fingerprints. So, you know, that's a huge change coming from any other previous base model iPhones, which have that glossy back. And then that just attracts fingerprints like crazy. So not only do you have aluminum rails, which don't show fingerprints at all, but now the back does not show fingerprints at all. So, I mean, it's nice. It's a really, really nice phone. Now, of course, you're also missing the always-on display with the iPhone 15s, but I think you guys already knew that. But if you didn't, now you know. Now, I'm actually pretty surprised that the iPhone 15, the base model iPhone 15, also has the next generation of portrait mode. For some reason, I always thought that was for the Pro models, but I guess not. So if I take a picture of my cat, you'll see that F button pop up. Okay, let me just click on use. So you see that little F button. So right now, I'm in the normal photo mode. I'm not in portrait mode, as you guys can tell. But if I tap on my cat and take a photo, if we go to photo, we can actually turn this photo into a portrait mode photo. So to do that, you just click on edit, and then you'll see the portrait mode right there. All you gotta do is tap on it, and then bam. Now you just took a photo, a normal photo, but you turned it into portrait mode. And then of course you can refocus to anywhere you want, which I think is pretty awesome. Now the one thing I was a little worried about, this phone having 60 hertz and the OA or the dynamic island. So, but honestly, I don't know what Apple did, but the animations don't seem like they're 60 hertz. I mean, yeah, you do get a little bit of stuttering as compared to 120 hertz, but I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, not too bad at all, actually. Let's try click and holding it. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, I was expecting it to be kind of choppy with 60 hertz, but not too bad. Overall, my first impressions is, listen, for $800, you're getting a device that will easily last you 5 to 6 years with software updates. You're getting that kind of more up-to-date stylistic design on the back, so it's not leaving nasty fingerprints all over your phone. You're getting that dynamic island that was exclusive to the 14 Pro just last year. So you're basically getting an up-to-date phone. I mean, obviously, of course, it's a new phone, but you know what I mean. In fact, if we compare the bezels of the 15 Pro to the 15, I mean, yeah, the difference is there, but it's so minimal. I mean, it is really not that big of a difference, to be completely honest. So, I mean, like I said, you're getting a really good phone for the price. It's not bad at all. And to be completely honest, this color is kind of growing on me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below what you want to see. I'm definitely going to be making a comparison video with the iPhone 15 and the Galaxy S23. Both of them are basically very similar to one another. So if you guys want to see that, definitely drop me a comment down below. But what other videos do you guys want to see on the iPhone 15? Again, do drop me a comment down below and I'll try to make as many videos as I can. And as always, thank you guys for watching. This was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.